teach my 16-year-old how to drive a stick shift. We have 6-speed manual in both Shelby GT500s. I have opted to teach him in the 1986 Chevrolet Corvette. Nope, if I was in first with the foot on the brake, the engine would be stopped.
Okay.
Okay? Because the clutch has to be in if you're in gear. Why? Tell me why. Here's the engine, and the engine is always spinning. Always. Okay? When it's in neutral, the transmission is not connected to the engine, which is spinning. So you gotta picture this spinning. I can't spin my hand.
Okay.
Cool, so this is spinning. Have the clutch in, and you put it in gear. Ready? Watch this. Let the clutch out, it grabs on.
Yeah.
Turning the drive shaft, which in turn turns the axle. Got it? So when I put the clutch in again, it pulls it away. Engine's still going. If I have the brake on and I'm not giving it gas and I let the clutch out, why? Because the engine's trying to spin and it can't spin the wheels because it's not getting the gas to do so, and you have the brake on, so done. It stops it.
So you let off of the gas, put clutch in, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If I didn't do that,
it would run.
No, it would rev up.
So as you're putting clutch down, put it off. Yes.
Yep.
I'm Chase, and this is learning to drive a stick in an '86 Corvette. Welcome to Jackass.
Jackass. All right. First of all, let's go through the gears here. You are now in what gear?
Third, actually.
Did you push it to the right? Okay, you don't want that.
So
Okay.
this is first.
Yeah, you just barely have to give it any pressure at all. Go straight back into second. See, but now here's what you did. Okay, keep the clutch in. Now watch out. Ready? You're in first, right? If you just give it a little bit of pressure, not a lot, you just keep it there, and then you're not going to end up hitting that center of that gate and going into fourth.
Okay.
Okay. You can let it ride the wall along the side here.
Right,
Just
so
imagine it being against the wall.
So push to the left and back.
Yeah, but not a lot. You don't have to crank it. And if you're already in first, you don't have to push to the left at all. You just have to hold it to the left. That's correct. Now go into third. That's correct. Fourth, correct.
No, I'm trying to go on and show reverse.
Okay, reverse, you have to pull this up.
Oh, that up. Okay, so up.
You did it better than I did. Nice job. There you go.
Neutral.
Yep, and now you're first. Okay. All right. Told you were going to kill it the first time.
Oh, yeah, because I need a... Ooh, okay.
You need to put gas in. Put the clutch in all the way to start it.
Okay.
There you go. Now ready for the gas? You're going to slow it.
Oh,
dude.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, that's what happens. Put the clutch in. Start the car. You have to give it gas, and you have to let up on that clutch. Now, okay, let go of the clutch all the way off.
Jeez, that's such an easy push.
Yep, you'll get used to it. Now, second, clutch in, down to second, swap them. There you go, all the way off. Don't hold on that clutch at the end, because that will help burn it out. Got it? Don't hold that clutch.
Powerful. Because it's a little push goes.
Yep. Very powerful. Go to third. Clutch in. Okay? That's it. So starting off is always the most difficult. Just getting going. Okay? Keep the gas on. Don't put the clutch in. Keep the gas on. Keep the gas on. Give it more gas. Okay? Now we're going to come up to a stop sign.
Am I going to the actual road?
Yeah, go to the actual road. Ready?
Alright.
Your foot's off the clutch, right?
Yes, sir.
Clutch in. All the way. Put it in first. Keep your foot on the brake because we're rolling. No, dude.
Okay.
You just got to get used to them.
Yes.
Clutch in, start the car. Foot on the brake. Foot on the brake, we're rolling, dude. So now you just need to make sure no one's coming, nobody's coming, and do your little juggle. Nope.
Turn it.
Don't. Okay, ready? No, dude. Dude.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gas and let up on that clutch. No, dude. I'm gonna need a new transmission by the time we're done. Okay, gas and let up on that clutch. Dude, you're not. I'm gonna need a new transmission by the time we're done. Okay, gas and let up on that clutch. Dude, oh my gosh, how did you get moving back there?
I don't know.
All right, he's been dumping the clutch a little bit, not giving it quite enough gas. We've killed the car a few times. We're gonna go again. Put it in first. You're not in first. You have to
Okay,
be in
yeah,
first.
I have to be in first. First.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Clutch off. Clutch off. No, dude. All right, are you in first?
Yes, sir.
All right, just rock them. Why aren't you letting up the clutch? Oh, I'm gonna back it up. There you go. Don't keep them both at the same time. All right, here we go.
Can I make sure I'm in first?
It looked like you're in first. Oh.
Turn it!
Oh my God. Oh. Yes! That wasn't as smooth. Huh?
It was going to dun 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 dun.
No.
I didn't mess anything up, did I?
No. Do exactly what you just did this last time.
Okay.
A nice even transfer. Don't look at the RPMs, look at the road and feel it. And just trade off one foot for the other carefully. Just like you did. We're gonna give it one more shot here before we wrap up today's lesson. Stop. Stop. Give yourself room to do the next one. Again, a little bit faster than that. One off, one on. That's what you're gonna do, buddy. I like that. I like it. Can you do it? That's it.
I can do it. I know how to do it now. I do it. I can.
Okay, do it again. Show me again right now.
All right. All right. But I did it.
I hear the police. They're coming. They're coming after that wicked burnout you just did.
But I did it.
You did it. I'm not even upset about the squeak. I mean, because that's what the car's supposed to do. Okay, we're gonna try to not do a burnout, but we're just gonna do it nice and smooth. Don't overthink it. Stop. Doesn't feel like you did a good job to you, but you did a good job, okay? The hardest part is just getting the car rolling, just getting it going. But once you get used to exactly where that point of engagement is and how it feels and how the engine sounds, you're gonna be one with the car and you guys are gonna be friends, okay? It's gonna be awesome. Now get out of my bed.